Hi guys, I'm Vivek from Playground FM. We built a music service that was addressing one key problem. There's millions of playlists out there, but you have no idea what to listen to now. And you have Spotify, which gives you access to 15 or 18 million songs. You have services like Pandora, which is their genome trying to organize 900,000 songs. You have all these people around the world creating playlists every day. And how do you get to them? You search. You look through your social feeds, and maybe you look through whatever's popular and maybe get lucky. Hopefully you'll find a gem, but a lot of times finding that great music is really hard. And so we wanted to make finding playlists as easy as listening to them. And that's why we built Playground, which finds awesome playlists just for you. You log into the service and you will instantly be delivered a personalized set of recommendations from your friends, world-famous DJs, and people who share your music tastes. So when you log in, we kind of understand all the music that you're listening to on Facebook, on Spotify, on your iPhone, and come up with a profile for you and start matching you to other playlists very intelligently. And then all you have to do is just scroll through. If you find a playlist that you want to listen to, you just tap in, and then you're listening. Users are picking all the playlists in here, and they're selecting all the music. So in this case, we're listening to a song that was picked by Austin. If we like the song, we can smile at it, and that will be used to help us find more playlists. Instantly, now that you've liked the song, now the system knows about it and can help kind of provide more recommendations to you. At the same time, if you have Spotify, you can purchase the song from iTunes, you can tweet it or send it to another friend. And so really what we want to be able to do is really make it very easy for you to just discover more music and make that a very natural process. So if you like the music that he has, you can just tap and see all the other playlists that he has, or you can just go back and scroll through and explore more music in your feed. This feed is always learning about you, always learning about the music you like from all over the web, and always delivering playlists that you're going to enjoy. And for the DJs out there, you can share any of your music through Playground. Just type the name of the playlist, and you can import any of your playlists from iTunes or Spotify or other services in the future. And then what we'll do is we'll actually use our algorithm to find an audience that will enjoy your music. So your Call Me Maybe soundtrack will also go to other people who love Call Me Maybe. So this is Playground. It's a fun, easy way to discover new music. We're launching on October 9th, but if you go to playground.fm, you can sign up for our beta. Excited to hear your music. Thank you. Questions?
How'd you get into this?
I'm a huge lover of music. I actually used to compose music for Bollywood movies, and that's how I got my start. And my main thing was that I felt that the future of music was actually coming through individual people, and I wanted to be able to build a service that could help me discover all this music through people.
So what is your business model?
So it's a combination of advertising as well as a premium subscription. So services like Pandora have validated that an ad-supported model under this sort of license works. At the same time, obviously our focus right now is building the best experience for users, but we've looked at stuff like a premium subscription for either no advertising or for premium playlists from some of your favorite DJs and artists. Yes.
What's your demographic targeting regarding growth? Do you start in the U.S. and then think internationally later, or do you go worldwide immediately with this?
We're going to start with the U.S. just because I think there's a lot more awareness and demand for music, and you see social music has been something that we've been talking about here for several years, and we just haven't seen it realized in a very polished way. So that's why we decided to start here. The specific demographic we're targeting are actually huge music playlisters, because those are the people who have a real need for this. There's a lot of services that let you just listen to music that you want to without really caring, but a lot of times it's hard to find that great playlist, and you see the users who are power users of Spotify and Rdio and Mog, and now they're just kind of at their upper limits. They've made their 10 playlists, they have no idea what's next. So we want to start with those and kind of build out the algorithm and expand past there. Yes?
So how do you get started from the ground zero? Like, I don't listen to music on Facebook, I don't have accounts with Spotify. How do you match me with something that I like?
So we do you have an iTunes account, for example? Do you have any music on your iPhone?
Yes.
Okay. So we actually start with the music, all the music that's available. So if there's music you listen to on Facebook or Spotify, there's music that you have on your iPhone. If you've created playlists, even if you've liked other artists, there's some signal out there that we can use as a way to seed you with the initial set of playlists. Past that, we're going to have to learn to be adaptive to whatever you're doing. And there's a lot of other contexts that we're looking to as a way to help match you with more music. But the real goal is to make sure that if we're going to provide you with something like a house electro playlist, that we get a house electro playlist that's tuned to you and not to some other person.
Yes. Did you figure out what I listen to on Pandora?
Yes, absolutely.
The algorithm you're using to determine what your interests, what type of music you like based on your playlist that you're using in your library, is that proprietary or is that something like Last
So we developed a proprietary algorithm that takes all the music you listen to and kind of mine and cut it in a different way.
Okay, so you analyze the songs yourself?
Yes.
Do you or the playlists?
Sorry, so
You analyze the music or the playlists?
we analyze both. So music on the supply side as well as from the listener side. So we have our personalization algorithm goes through, mines through all the music you listen to kind of figure out a taste profile for you. And then on the other side, we're just matching each other playlists created by other users. The idea is that, in the past what you've used to do is like follow a bunch of users, kind of get lost trying to program and get to the music you want to, and we're going to take care of all of that work for you.
How intelligent is the search on iTunes? For example, I don't know how many people spend time whittling down their iTunes list, but you might have hundreds or thousands there, but only listen to often, a very small percentage. Are you actually looking to the ones that people actually listen to, or the entire playlist?
So we look at both. I think there's obviously value in the fact that you have that music in your library, but there's more value to the fact that you've listened to a song 100 times, or that you have 1,000 songs by the same artist. That's a great signal for us. So just an example of kind of an insight to the algorithm.
Where do you get the music? I'm curious.
So users are creating playlists from whatever's on their iTunes or Spotify account. We match those to our streaming database, and then we serve that music out to you.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.